Hey YouTubers and ceiling fan collectors, it's NickTube Fans, and today I took down my Hampton Bay Courtney ceiling fan from 2010 and put up this 52-inch Quorum Classic Ceiling Fan from 1992, an antique brass finish. At first glance, you do notice that the canopy is not up the whole way, and that is because there is no little canopy screw holes on top of the canopy, and this is the Courtney's mounting bracket because this did not come with one, so it's not the right size, so I'll just have to get some little magnets to stick it up there. Otherwise, everything on this fan is perfectly fine. Without further ado, I will get started on demonstrating the fan. So here's the light, and on the pull chain it has the Quorum logo. Light works. And now I will turn the fan on low. I don't really have any complaints about this fan. I think it's really nice because it has the option to be installed with or without the light kit, which I think is pretty nice. So here's the low speed. It has a slight hum to it, but nothing that worries me too much. I do like that it's a GE vent fan though. And here's medium. Again, it just hums a little bit, but nothing too badly. This is the speed I'd probably normally run a fan on, medium or low. And now here's high speed. This fan puts out a lot of air, which I really like because sometimes it gets really hot in my room because I have basically the vest. I wouldn't want to say vest, but I have a really good vent and it pushes out a lot of heat throughout my room. And here the fan noise was it the whoosh of the air. And I'll turn it off. Thank you guys for watching. If you like these videos, subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. And comment any of your opinions and like this video. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.